Yeah, my name is Paul Birmingham. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. Before real estate and becoming a real estate investor, I was a senior project engineer. So I managed managers of engineers. I wanted to be able to give back and make some changes in our lives financially, even though engineering is a great career and I wouldn't discourage anybody from going into it. I think that my chances in real estate investing are just sky high. It's whatever you want to do with it. Yes, time freedom, financial freedom, what you can do with the money when you do get it. You know, we have a real passion for taking care of people, and we want to see that happen. We have looked at other programs and have, without mentioning names, obviously, we have a lot of experience with, you know, sit in the room, here's what we have to offer, run to the back. You know, it's the scarcity mentality. Here at Clever Investor, it's very, very clear that people want to be involved with us. A very high energy event, thought-provoking at times, you know, and a lot of great information was provided at the event. I would say that for me personally, it made me look very shall I say, turn me in, you know, to look within myself and say that, yes, can I do this? At times I was thinking, oh, I can't do this. And now, you know, it's very definitely, yes, I can do this. I can move forward. I can do what I dream. So I had no particular fears, but I would say that the practice and the accountability for doing those things that we were asked to do, you know, just kind of proved and provided that feedback that, look, you gotta be self-motivated, you need those people in there. The technology that was demonstrated is fantastic. I would say that I've looked at a lot of programs, and this is the first one that piqued my interest as far as capabilities, the connectivity of it, how well, there was a lot of good man-machine interface and how you extract data from the internet, from the database itself. Fantastic integration. Yeah. So, yes, the hands-on interaction that we've had has been, for me, very fruitful. I would say, you know, those aha moments, you get that from the instructors. You know, your capability of getting in there, doing the hands-on training really does give you I'm looking for the right words, but gives you the confidence is really what I'm looking for to go forward and do it yourself. Everybody has to go out and make their own decision, okay? Some decisions are right for the people and some decisions aren't. I think that you do have to allow people to go out and make that decision. Clever allowed us to do that. So as we go forward, and you know, I would encourage people to go out, look at everybody else, but definitely come look at Clever.